Pili ko daw, malit na rin balik atong Bustoyo. Ako ang hindi Bustoyo.
Oo, sabi mo.
Siya ba?
This is for now.
Wag ko mag-kuan, wag ko mag-live. Kay kuan kanang ano?
Wala siya Felix. Wala siya Felix Rock. Ah, nakatutok ito. Pila yung dati mo? 37? Ako kay 34 man. Pero hapit-hapit ra.
Naragap slide of 3.
Rawan na. Kanang lakaw na sa interview.
Kaya sila wala na nag-aabot.
Rawan na.
Kaya nang laptan ka na.
Kabantay mo itong port nga. Muni siya at bang. Katabi itong port sa Dumaguete din Siniman. Muni siya. Mo original kaya pa na.
Lain na karon
Then muni yan.
mas lightweight siya, pero mas
Nay multo niya.
liwang ano, pero mas grabe siya.
Multo jud.
Ilang taon niyo mga sa multo? O na. Sa likod sa
Ano yung mga pollution din siya, sincere ka pa.
Ay, so sila.
Ang wala na kapag.
Pero kasi siguro
Ito na
siya
sa
na.
tigis sa.
Asa sa in? Ah, oo.
Wala ko na. Wala edit sa unang mga. Hinal ko na.
Kasi ang kami na basta. This fort is from
Jadi dia mau makita og pearl nga dako, giant pearl. Dili, iba na. Yan na lang siya. Jadi karon baligya na pwede na. Pwede mo motuyok na dagan na. May Sir Felix mo ni ang kuan. Ang owner. Ako nang gi
Yung parang
asa na.
sigahan na yung kita ko.
Sana sa gawas.
Naglibog man ko asa ko mag video guys.
typewriter, oh. Karaan ko nakabot ko.
mga collection sa kuan, mga karaang gamit ba. Na yung video kay mga kuan na tanan.
Near the end of summer, there was no more coating material sold in the market, so they used to be somewhere. They did not pick up
This one short, ha? Isa to?
Alam niyo kung bakit walang tagal na sinusukit ng mga lalaki ko? See-through. Because when they're invited to the Vedas Spaniards, they have to wear the see-through clothing so that nakapakain o weapon. They can be seen pag may lukbok sila. Kaya, naging national costume natin. See-through. Nakakita na kayo ng Coca-Cola na 100 years old? Nandito.
Nakalangi kali ang gusto yun.
Meron pa kami nito guys. Ayan.
The day. December 25, 1923. 100 years, 4 months, and 9 days. The green bottle is intended for the United States. The blue bottle is for the whole world. Because the only similar thing is Coke and Coca-Cola is the first two letters CO. Because Coke is abbreviation for cocaine. They added the drug cocaine to make their soldiers alert all the time, cannot sleep, can guard all the time, can walk for days, can fight for days without getting tired because of the drug. And when a Japanese soldier finds this bottle on the ground, they immediately hide. Only American soldiers carry Coca-Cola with them. This is not a Japanese product.
That's
And
American product.
if you can find a bottle, Americans are nearby. And iyan naman, 1950 advertisement, Coca-Cola. That is already 74 years old. But they did not went old. They still stay young.
Wow.
They never grow old.
Gopangis sa buwan mo.
Nang nasa kaliwa, Mexicana. Yung nasa kanan, Americana. But she is not Marilyn Monroe. Look alike lang. Alam na niyo itong istorya nito? It is no part of our history. San Miguel Faith Pilsen. Bawat letra may corresponding word. It is all about our history, pero hindi naman ito totoo. Pakinggan na to. Sa airport natin, may isang galman. Uminom, ilating. Patay Aquino. Lampak eh. Puta Emilda. Lusot sana. Eh, nabuko. Well, dapat pa-research natin tulungan dahil sa Aquino. Aquino was just asak notisa lang, pwede ako ang Porto Aquino, President Benigno Aquino. Nagdalawa na silang presidente on the top post of the land and they cannot solve the murder of their father. If they pursue who killed their father, they get kicked twice because it always fallen to them. But they were the ones feeling nakikita lang nila. Because that one go own vast tracts of land and they do not want it to be divided among the tenants. Yung Hacienda Luisita sa Tarlac. They want to be exempted, so they need somebody sitting at the top. Kaya maging exempt sila. Kaya pag Marcos has something to do with the death of Aquino, agad-agad mag-revolution ang mga tao. But it took 3 years before nag-people power. And that is 100 years of time. 1890 to 1990. I also have Pepsi products there. And Santa Claus was owned previously by Pepsi. And they sold it to Coke because they thought that Santa Claus was just a useless endorser. It can only be used during the Christmas season. Christmas season ng ibang bansa, last only for 1 week. Dito lang sa Pilipinas, tumatagal ng 3 buwan. I'm going to show you the giant pearl. Follow. These are the giant pearl. Kilograms, 3 kilograms, 10.5 kilograms. Natural white pearl, not the same size. Natural black pearl, not the same size. Golden pearl. Here then, the ancient century, aside from the Ptolemaic making it, started also in the pearl. And now, 90% parang tinutulugan na plastic coated with outside of the river. And this motor started also in the pearl. The spring was so that all dropping of the women, the ladies, you can have a pearl. An oyster can only produce 1 pearl at a very, very, very long time. Ang mussel, yung mga freshwater, can produce 5 to 6 pearls also in a very, very long time. So ang oyster, they put inside the clam plastic bowl, 10 mm, 12 mm. They put insert it there and they put it back into the water, and in 2 years time they harvest it. Outer fabrication. Ang nasa and the biggest pearl I've seen was a pearl in Puerto Princesa in Palawan. It was 34 kilograms. 1 half of 34 is 17. The tree is already 18.9. And in Palawan we are finding it at 100 million.
Oh.
Kaya yun na. 20 years ago was 10,000 US dollars. Found on the island of Tahiti in the Caribbean. 10,000 US dollars, that is 10,000 Saudi Arabia real, 10,000 Saudi Arabia. And one Saudi Arabia real is 14 pesos and 50 cents. That's why that will be 145 dollars. The other one is 500. The owner of this was my sister, who died 8 years ago. Today, she died May 6. She was one, a social worker, an architect, an accountant, and a lawyer. All in one. Pero yung first course niya, nursing, they were told to shift to other courses because they were given an exam on how you feel facing a patient who is
Ganahan siya ko sa mga tao na
dying and
kanang
is very
hilog ito mga lokal. Ano ko yung ma-preserve ang history ba?
illness.
Maaptan pa sa itong generation.
They just say,
Grabe ka, mahal na ni Ani din.
write what you feel when you are in this situation. So they answered what they feel. And
Oh, mga kamera.
the
Akong gipicture ko sa mga natong pagtaw para ko na ko may natong plato ako na dinudang sa bedroom mo niya ko ingon niya.
you do not have a heart. So they
Minsan nga ning mahimo og inganin mo. So dahil kita mga atong nakuan nang sa baliti din nga inganin din dito ko. Ngani nga design ba. Ibutan na dali butang gunitanan. Ngani ang concept ba?
Messenger.
my sister wearing
Ikaw din lang
a
ako
red dress.
Ngani ba nang may mabuhat og inganin no? Kanang na.
She decided to be a nurse also. And she is now
Grabing
retired
trabaho
in the
na
United
yun.
States.
Ibang share lang na mo dai ha imong mga video picture ni mo dai. Ay ikaw may photographer.
Alam niyo si
Mary Jane may nag-photographer ako.
Moses, Testament of Moses?
So sa mo na din.
I have.
Like, di ako lumulutong pa ako.
Mga kamera ba?
Ang mga picture ng karaan. Ayan na ilang yung mamang kasi. Di na uga.
Kasi classes mga kamera mga karaan.
Oh, lakan mo. Mga kamera.
Asa ramay na aptan ni mo Haji.
Nico. Nico.
I think right.
Mara. Ay, balik din.
Why is Moses the first architect by the
Ay, kudak ay mga karaan.
first to use the tablet?
Mga aptan.
The very first to use the tablet. Kaya, limitan mo yung pagkain ng asin. Hindi asin.
Oo.
Ka-explosive.
Ko naman ang
Big Mama Bomb.
lagi. Mga pinakadako gid
These
siya.
types of bombs for of Japan biggest aircraft. Wata ano? Tatlog. Sige, nga na nga ero. Dashan. Dashan.
Oh, naapa man ni, maamong gyapon.
Pamane.
Naapa man siya. Karaan na kit siya.
Day. Sa una mga tubig. Tubig nit ang tubig.
That's all written on the
Bang
chair.
man, bang.
I have two names, Phoenix, Pagkatino, Pilia is my middle name.
Muhang picture, muhang
Pwede ka niyang gamiton eh. Asa nga utanan yung kuha. Pwede mo masakay nga.
Pwede?
Ah.
Pwede
Pwede,
mo.
ma'am.
Tingaling mo dagan na niya na.
Short.
Pwede mo sakay, ma'am.
Dire lang skillet. Walo ka. Hadlok mo may manok.
Pwede draw doon.
Ito.